how you can add and switch between multiple accounts on your Facebook. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your Facebook. After you do that, go to the menu section and scroll down all the way and you will see the logout button. Tap on logout and confirm your logout. So if you want to add another account, you can just tap on log into another account and log into it. But if you don't want to do so and just want to switch between multiple accounts, you can select the second account and you'll just log into it. Now make sure that when you log into your account, you need to just select remember your login options, or you'll just have to type in your password each and every time. So if you just tap on remember your login credentials, you'll just get easy transitions from different accounts. So yeah, it's that simple, guys. That is how you switch between multiple accounts. You'll just have to log out and select the account that you want to log into. And yeah, that is all for the video. It's really simple, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.